G'day guys. So we're at the Hipcamp, which is Goolabri, we're not sure how to pronounce it, but it's an old golf course that used to be here.
Canberra.
So it's
15 minutes?
Yeah, 15 minutes, 10 to 15k sort of out of Canberra.
We're looking more and more rugged every day.
Yeah,
hair,
this morning we woke up,
beard.
we were both a little bit testy. I think yesterday was a very, very long day, and
a very, very anxious drive.
Yeah, when we got through that national park and the roads were buggered, we got a little bit testy with each other, but that's okay, that's all part of it. So I thought I'd just show you where we are. So that's where we are. It used to be a green down there, another fairway over there, lots of kangaroos here. And today we've got the bushwhacker out. We got here late last night, so we didn't bother setting up the awning or anything. So I thought I'll rip the bushwhacker out, and that's been an absolute ripper. So
because it rained.
Yeah, and then when we got here, we literally 2 minutes after we set up, it poured. So we've got the solar out, got the Self-I-Go antenna up, so we've got full 4G coverage here. Which is good. We didn't bother with a shower last night, so we're going to have one, set all that up tonight. So yeah, we've got plenty of shade here with the bushwhacker. So yeah, we'll go today. We're going to head to Questacon
and the zoo
and the aquarium. So yeah, we'll head down there. The War Memorial, we'll go past and have a look. Obviously Parliament House, like really, who cares, but we better look at it while we're here. So yeah, we'll catch you there. Thanks guys. So we've just got to Questacon. We're just heading in. The wait wasn't too bad really, was it?
No. Just
only a few minutes. Car park's a bit confusing. But yeah, all good. So we'll go in and show you some cool stuff, hopefully.
So here we have a few things happening. First off, you may see this stuff coming out of the bowl. Now, what you see right here is not a gas. All right, let's see what happens. We'll pour in a little bit of liquid nitrogen. We'll get a few bubbles, but then we'll put this on top and give it a shake. All right, so we might have a little bit of a countdown starting from 5. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Put it on one. This is an earthquake.
I'll go to one.
Oh. This is on 3. Can you feel it?
Just feel a pulse.
It's pulsing.
Yeah.
4.
Movement.
5.
Don't work.
You broke
I'll
it.
press the button.
So that's an earthquake of 6, which is what? Damaging shock? That's more than damaging shock.
That's what it shows you how much it wants. Feel it. That's 3. 4. 5.
Wow. No, I'm not throwing it. I can't throw. 75. 81. 81. 84.
'Got a bit of weight in it.
Yeah. It's the road up to Parliament House. We're not going up there today.
Yeah, we just finished Questacon, which was actually quite good.
You
But
could spend the whole day there with the kids.
if you had kids there, you'd be there all day. If you tried all the stuff, there's some really amazing stuff there.
Yeah.
It was really busy, obviously, this time of year. So we just had a quick walk through and had a look around. Yeah, it was good.
And now we're on our way to the zoo. So that should be good too.
That's a lot. Hello, buddy.
You can buy stuff to feed them.
You like that, buddy?
Beautiful enclosures so far, but not very active animals, so probably don't come on a 30-degree day. Look at this one, Clint. Are they aggressive?
Imagine if I was a human too.
See, this had it. What is that?
That's okay. Not for comparison size.
These are your favourites.
Rough scale price. show you. Hello, little kitty.
They're a bit hot. That is a huge bird.
You see the little guy sitting up in there, just chilling. Go.
Did you video that?
I was just saying to Carly, I love meerkats because they always put on a show. There's always one doing something.
You can't touch him.
That's how I felt this morning. A little bit frazzled.
That was me.
I was me and Colours this morning a bit at the camper.
White Canberra.
Nothing to touch it.
Hmm?
More than a hippo. We might keep also I don't think we're contacting anyway. Our powers of persuasion are good, they're not good enough to get them away from afternoon teas.
Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe if you want to see more of our travels and keep an eye out for the next episode on this trip.